Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 116 of our Let's Grow annual challenge. This is Alex taking a siesta after a hard workout. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And today we're talking about and continuing our journey into the growing process. Step 2 of the growing process stands for our results now. What kind of results are we getting now? And this is kind of in alignment with the SOAP framework, where we look at what is our current situation and what is our desired situation. First, we look at what do we want? What's our desired situation? And then we get really honest with ourselves and we're like, what are my results right now? What's going on with me right now? So in guide 2 of the Let's Grow Annual Challenge, remember we're following along with Alex through the entire growing process. And he's working out at the gym and doing things. So you can check in and see what his results are. And for me personally, I'm sharing my story here. I said that I'm going to exercise every day for the next 3 months and do some kind of movement and activity intentionally. And the reason I picked that, because my results up until this point, this year have been a little spotty with respect to intentionally doing some physical activity every single day. I can give you all my excuses and all my reasons. I can make up and tell you the reasons that any day I didn't do something intentionally, I had all these reasons I didn't, but they're really just excuses. So instead of fibbing to myself, because my subconscious always knows if I'm making stuff up, and we make things up to help us to feel better about the choices that we make. And that is okay, but if we do it over the long run, we end up making choices that aren't in our own best interest in the long term, just to focus on the short term. How am I going to get through the day? And I don't think that's the best way for me to live, and probably not the majority of us. So results now. What's our action item today? Be brutally honest with yourself and look at, and with respect to this area, this goal that we set yesterday, what are the results leading up to this that helped you to choose this goal? Why do we want to do that? Because it creates and identifies clearly the gap between where we are right now and where we want to be. Why do we want to identify that gap? Because number one, we want to forget about the past, because the past is the past. There's nothing we can do to change that. And we want to start right now today. So many of us commiserate and focus and spend so much energy feeling bad about what happened in the past. And we need to just forgive ourselves and let it go, because there's nothing we can do to change that. And what I like to do when I catch myself in that mindset is think about all the blessings, all the gifts, and all the things I'm grateful for the times I went slow in the past, for the times I made decisions that I thought were in my best interest at the time, and I felt bad about them when I was in that situation. But what did I gain from that situation? Because every experience we have teaches us and shows us something. Sometimes it's something about other people. Sometimes it's something about ourselves. Sometimes it's something about a situation we got ourselves into because of the decisions we made along the way. And we know it's not right for us, but we're afraid to get out. I can relate to that one a lot. So today we're just sharing one observation we have about our results. And I'm going to call them current because we just started our goal yesterday. One thing about those results. And for me, it's I need to be intentional about the physical activity that I do on a daily basis on a conscious level. I have to be intentional and aware and present in it to get the best results for me. That's my observation. So share your observation in the comments below. Any questions, hit me up. Any comments, concerns, any feedback, I am here and looking for that to make the challenge better and better every single day. It's just like anything else. I want to make the challenge better every day. All right. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.